Yo, 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 what up, what up, what up? Let's go right over into this New York session, guys. Let's see what we can get. Opening bell is up. Opening bell is up. This was a good move right here when price came down to catch that on the buy just before the open. But yeah, we didn't catch that. So let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Just kind of looking at the tape. The tape is not really showing you anything right now. Not really showing you anything. You're trading under the PLC, under the VWAP, but it's moving, just moving. So we'll see what we can do. If that buy is gonna hold or whatever the case may be. So yeah, we will see. We're going to drop this other volume profile on here in just a second. In just a second. All right. We are trying to sell. So just give me a minute. Let me see about these levels. Let's get this other volume profile on here. And we're going to need that from here. Fixed range. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we are going to rotate lower. 3,200, which is right here. You're gonna have some issues right here unless price can break through 3,200. 30200, which is right here. If price can get through that area, then we could have, I mean, you could definitely see a sell-off, maybe down into this area right here. What is that, 3157? Uh, it's a possibility. It's definitely a possibility. We're at that level now. We are at that level now. So just getting this ready and see if we can get a sell. See if we can get a sell off. If we can, that'll be great. Targets will be down here. For a 1-to-1. Just ticked us in. Just ticked us in. Just ticked us in. Just ticked us in. Let's see if we can get these sellers to stay in control. This is what we got on the tape. This is what we got on the tape. All right. We want to see price push lower. We want to see price push lower. And we want to see if we can push down into that 157 area. That 157 area. 157 area. It pulled back and took me out. That sucks. That was a great trade. A great trade. A great trade. Great trade that it just pulled back and took me out. You see that, guys? See how price be doing you? Great trade. Targets were 157. We would have been so close to it, it wouldn't even have mattered. I could have just got out and could have got out right there with some massive profits. Would have been awesome, but it just pulled back and took me out as I was adjusting my stop loss. It happens. It just happens. It happens. It happens. It happens. It happens. So it is what it is. But that was still a good call and still a good win on that trade. 100%. It wasn't a lot of ticks. It was about 32 ticks, which is not really a lot. I think that's probably about what, like 8 points. So yeah, not nothing to write home to mama about, but hey, it happens, guys. It happens. We're gonna see if we can find one more setup. And then if not, I'm gonna jump off. That'll be a quick live New York session. Really quick live New York session. If it hadn't tapped my stops, then we would have got a good one. Because that was a nice little pull down to this area. We didn't make it to 157, but we made it awful close that we probably could have pulled out 100 ticks out of that. Pretty sure, pretty sure, pretty sure. So we'll see if the market is going to give us another opportunity, a quick opportunity. If it's going to give it to us quick, then it's all good. But if it's not, then I'm not going to be here wait on it. I'm going to take what I got and I'll see y'all Monday. I'm not so greedy like that. That was a good sell, good call. But, hey, it happens. It happens. It happens. Sometimes with these bracket orders, when you're adjusting your stops and your take profit, unless you really do it right at the beginning, and even when you do it right at the beginning is a great time to do it right before you get triggered in. But the problem is when you go into profit and then you want to move your stop into profit and then you start moving your bracket order and price jumps close to price, it's just going to take you out. And that's what happened to me. But at least it was 8 points in profit, which is good. It's still good. So we'll see if we can see if we can get another setup. If we can get another setup, then great. If not, then I will see you guys on Monday because I will not chase price. Will not chase price. So we are trading inside of the value range uh, from the cash session, the prior cash session, which would obviously be yesterday, Thursday. And let's see what we can get. Let's see. Let's see. Is the tape giving us any good trades? POC on the tape is sitting at about 30202, which I did mark before, which is 30302. What was it? It was 3202. Yeah, so I think this was it. Yeah. So I think that was it. Let me go to the 5 minutes. No, it was up here, so it moved. Yeah. So that was not it. So we will remove this line. That was not it. So we're gonna see if price can trade lower or if it's gonna want to trade higher. We'll see. It's Friday, so I'm really tempted to just take my profits and just really just go home. But yeah, we'll see if we can find something, a good setup that happens for us pretty quick. And if it does, great. If it does not, great. Mm. Yeah, price is just kind of just willy-nilly back and forth right now. So we need to see. We're trading inside the value area, which is here and here on the dynamic POC. So let's see. Let's see. The real name for it is developing. So let's see if we can get a move. 30 and then 300. That level is still good. That level is still good. That level is still right here is still a good level. That's what we got. There's the tape. That's what we got. That's what we got. That's what we got. We're going to see if we can get a buy stop right above this level here. Right above that level, 302.90. If we can get a buy above this level, we should be able to get a nice buy. Let's see if we can get this nice buy. We're gonna target 30. We're gonna target maybe this area. We don't have to get all the way to that area. I'm cool if we don't. But we will see where we can get. We will see where we can get. I do not want to get taken out of this trade. So I'm going to put my stop about right here for right now. Because I do not want to get taken out of this trade. I do not want to get taken out of this trade. So we're going to see if we can get up into this area. We'll see if we can make it up into that area. We just need some really good volume. We're up now about 60 ticks, which is good. But hey, anything could happen. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. We already got 30. So we're already up right now. So we're good. We're good. We're good on the day. We're up 90, I mean 86. Um, there we go. 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 When this dies out, I'm going to close. I'm out. I'm out. So that was 99 plus 30. So that was basically 130 ticks on 129, if you want to be exact, on a Friday, guys. I am hyper scalping. These targets are set because I need to have hard targets set, but I don't have to hit them. I mean, if I hit once I hit 100 ticks, I say it every day. Once you hit 100 ticks, I mean, heck, you've had an awesome day and it's Friday. So now I get to go do what I want to do, close it out, go hang out for the rest of the day, go to the gym, go eat breakfast, go do whatever I want to do, and my work day is done. And what is that? 16 minutes? Yeah, it's 8:46. And it would have been done in like 4 or 5 minutes, but hey, you can't help price doing what it's gonna do. So I am gonna sign off. If you want to trade with me live, pop that link in the description and let's go. All right, y'all. Peace, and I will see y'all Monday. Peace.